Case name Teja and complaint of non-fluent speech, and today date is 1st August 2024. I want speech sample before treatment. Say about yourself.
So thank you, sir. Myself Teja. I am 20 years old. Basically, I am from a Kolar. I have been working in a telecom company, and from childhood I have experience in. From childhood, I have been experiencing a stammering problem.
Post-therapy video of Mr. Teja, and today date is 8th of August 2024. So Teja, I want speech sample after treatment. What was the problem and how do you feel after the speech therapy?
So from childhood, I have been stammering. So after taking this treatment, I can feel better, continuous talkativity will be there with whenever I'm talking to the other persons, the continuity it will be there. So I can feel better now compared to the 1 week before.
Okay, what is your mother tongue?
So my mother tongue is Telugu.
So can you tell in your mother tongue what was the problem and how do you feel after this 8 days of speech therapy?
So I will say both as Kannada and Telugu. నాకు ఒక చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నాకు ఈ స్టామరింగ్ అనేది ఉండేది. బట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత సో ఇది సంజయ్ సార్ వల్ల కొంచెం అది తక్కువ పడింది. సో అదేమైందంటే చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నాకు ఇది కరెక్ట్గా కమ్యూనికేషన్ లేకపోవడమో అదేంటో నాకు తెలియదు కానీ కరెక్ట్గా. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఐ కెన్ ఫీల్ బెటర్.
Okay, so can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Okay.
Okay, thanks for giving the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change, please write in the comment box and share this video, like this video, so that people having stammering problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.